followed by the 6th MLP Battalion Umran, led by ABSI PS Kachari. Led by ABSI P, thank you. Guard Civil Defense, led by Mr. G. Mukil. This contingent is deliberately a composite and last but not the least, we have the band platoon, Saudio High Secondary School.
Ka Bhoi District kala Rakhe ya ka Republic Day Kaba nyo phulai ha ka arpan riu tari ukala Ryngkat bat ha ka te ke Jing Rakhe lawan ban shim benta dau ba da sakiat bha lamare Menteri Ketana Transport bat PWD ka Sorkar Jilla kumu Kongsan ubala shim ya ka salute bat kentiwe ka lama lai rong ka ri India Hamadan paham CM NSCA nong po Bhoi District ha ka te ke sngi la sakhi da ka Jing don lang uba Meryl Bonds MLA ka nong po constituency Kakong RM Kurba Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi District bat kiwe ki officer na kitna traikam ka Sorkar lambat ki pajba la penbuat ban pensyong kun ya ka program da ka Jing sam ya ki khos nam bapher syakitu ki belawan rak burom khamtam ha ka district bat la penbuat da ka march past bat kiwe
all patriots namely Tirot Singh, Iphieng and Patogan and Sangma and many other unsung heroes. I would also like to greet the members of the armed forces, the parliamentary forces and the police force for the selfless services rendered in order to ensure safety for all citizens. Meghalaya has carved out of Assam as an autonomous state in April 1970 and was declared a full-fledged state on 21st January 1972. The state was witnessed a remarkable journey over the last 50 years and has seen significant changes and developments. As we celebrate this momentous milestone in the history of our beautiful state, Meghalaya, it is indeed a proud privilege for me to extend my heartiest greetings to the people of the state on completion of 50 eventful years of statehood. As we celebrate the state's achievements, we must also turn the pages of time to remember and pay tribute to the sacrifices made by the great leaders of the Hill State movement who, through their vision and determination, ensured that we are blessed with a state we can proudly call our own. A comparison of the significant indicators over the last 50 years will show that our state has traversed through paths and progress and development. For instance, in 1971, the population of Meghalaya was only 10,11,699, which has now increased to almost 34 lakhs in 2021. The density has increased to 132 persons per square kilometers in 2011 from 45 persons per square kilometer in 1971. The literacy rate has improved to 74.43%. In 2011 from 29.49%. Similarly, the state has seen significant developments in all other sectors like health, agriculture, power, tourism, road and communication.